Hello guys, welcome back to my world of programming. My name is Tumitladi, and according to our agenda, we are done with part 11, forgot password and forgot password confirmation pages. And now we're gonna focus on reset password and reset password confirmation. Please watch all other videos. You'll find them on this YouTube channel, right? So it seems like we had a bit of a challenges in our previous video where we tried to create an account and then we could not. So we did eventually managed to create an account. As you can see, we just need to confirm that so that this whole process can go through. So if I click here, go back to the list, right now it's doing what? It's confirming the account. Remember, in our previous video, one of the checks is that you need to have your account confirmed, because like I said, please watch the previous video so you can understand where we left off, right? So now we are focusing on what? On making sure that we can reset the password. So this is covered, right? So what we need to do, it's very simple. I'm done with this. I'm gonna go here and say first we need that address. I'm gonna say login and forget password, and then I'm gonna paste that one and then hit send email. So what it's gonna do is gonna check, hey, do we know you based on the email you gave us? Are you suspended? Are you deleted? Did you confirm your account? If all of these are satisfactory, then this will be the message. Please check your email and follow the instruction to reset your password. We hope that it did not end up in your spam folder. Well, that's not me, that's Google. Right, so you see, we are done with this one, email confirm, and now we just received one that says reset password. So the moment I click that one, it's gonna say, hello, whoever you are, please reset your password by clicking here, right? Now, if I open this in a new tab, it's gonna show off this beautiful UI that says reset the password, right? So let's go and take a look at that one. We are done with these two. So now if we go to reset password, this is the UI that you see here, right? Where we're expecting that email address, we're expecting a new password and confirming the new password. And we're about to see that in action. So this is that UI that you just saw, right? Now the code behind, what it does is you need to make sure that you decorated this class with allow anonymous attribute, right? Reset password model, and then I only have one global variable, of which this is a container that manages users, right? And then I have a binding property. Before we talk about binding property, I do have internal class called reset password view model, where firstly I have three properties: email, password, confirm password. They all have an attribute decorating these properties, right? So, and then we also have the code, which is this most important thing, right? So with that, what we are saying is whatever you're going to be supplying here, for example, we need to copy the email. Where's that? Copy that, come back here, there we go. So now I'm going to make sure that we give it a new password. There we go. So what happens is all this data will be binded using this property, using on this property, rather, using bind property attribute. And then we're going to use the constructor to resolve the service for the user manager. And then on get, it's very important. The on get, what it does, there's a code. Remember, on our email that we got, behind this button, there's a beautiful code that's being encoded, right? It's encoded. So when it arrives, the code, when it arrives, and we are first checking if the code, there's something, because if there isn't anything, then we're going to return an error message and we're going to redirect it to an error. But if there is a code, we're going to decode and we're going to ensure that it's a correct one, and we're going to pass it to that view model, return the page, right? That's the on get. Now the post, we're going to check it. Did you supply all this data? If yes, this check will pass, right? Model state is valid. And then we're gonna check that email. Again, we're gonna retrieve the account using the email supplied. It needs to be the same email account, the one that was used to request assistance of resetting the password, right? When we find that, we're still checking if did we locate the user account, right? If not, we'll show the error message. If we did find it, we then going to use that user manager container to do what? To reset the password. It expects the whole user object that we want to reset the password for. And then it needs the code, the one that's being decoded, it needs the new password. When all these three are okay, we're going to have an identity result. If it is success, we're going to redirect it to reset password confirmation. If not, we're going to get into an error that will say, we cannot allow you to reset the password at the moment, try again, right? So, but if, let's say, we could not find the user based on their incorrect email address, it will say, hey, whatever email you provided, account was not found, try again later. Does it make sense? So you need to make sure that you put security measures in place. But this is the key. You don't have to worry about it if the code was correct. It will know if the code was correct or not. Other than that, it won't work. It makes sense? Good. So let's see that. If I click reset, we're expecting for this password to work using that code there, because it's going to decode the code. And if everything's okay, there we go. It says, congratulations, we currently have good news. Your password has been reset and welcome back. Now please click here to log in. So with that, let's see our newly created password. And I promise you that it works. But as a developer, as a programmer, you need to make sure that you are able to test your system thoroughly and to ensure that there are no problems. All these checks, these security checks that I put in place, you need to think about them. I could have taken this thing far and I can still do it like now. For example, if let's say you want to say, I have forgotten this password and then I'm asking you to provide, I can also go far as, did you confirm your password? In fact, I think I should do that. I think I should do that. Let's go and do that. We still got time. So let's go back to forgot password. This one. This one. Just copy that and paste it here. And this one will be is phone number confirmed of that user, and if it's not, we need now to change that message. So we are passing something. Let's see. I think this one needs to be number 5. 1 2 3. Let me see something. Number 4. Why do I have up until number 4 yet? I did not show. Okay, this will be number 4. So let's do. Okay, this will be that, but I want this to be number 5. It's fine if it's not. Okay, let's make it number 3, number 4, number 5. So 1 and 2 is okay. 1 and 2 is okay, right? 1 2 is okay. Number 3, this message, it needs to be this message, and this message, it needs to be this message. Make sense? Because this one gonna be deleted, which is number 5. Yes, and suspended number 4. So the else part is gonna be deleted. Account deleted, suspended. Oh, this one we say I should say email account is not confirmed. So the way it's very simple, we just do this. So this one will be phone number it's not confirmed. Please check your SMSs to confirm your account and try again. I think that's how simple it is. Listen, I can teach you all this for 25 Rand per session, and that session will be an hour long. Until next time.